Good afternoon, everybody. We're doing another solving LeetCode problem, and today we're doing kids with the greatest number of candies. It's an easy problem. Here is the description. Essentially, what we're doing today is we're going through this entire list, and we're adding extra candies to each index. And when we add extra candies to the index, we're determining if it is now the greatest or equal to the greatest within that list, and if it is, we're gonna place its value as true in a new list. So today's gonna be a little bit different since I'm writing in Python. The past couple of days I've taken off from LeetCode to learn Python because I think it's faster and it's gonna ultimately help me in the future. I'm no expert by any means, so if you see anything that looks wrong or I can do faster with the syntax, please let me know. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a map or a dictionary. Basically a hash map in Java, and we're also going to make our return list, which is a Boolean list, so I'm going to call it is true. From here we're going to fill out our dictionary, so I'm going to do for j in, and how do you spell enumerate? Enumerate candies. There we go. We're just going to add everything into the candy map. Oops, sorry. I'm still trying to get used to this syntax. If you're unfamiliar with Python, this for loop is pretty useful in my opinion when filling stuff out. Here is kind of a ChatGPT explanation. So I is just the index value, and then j is going to be the value stored in that index, because in my opinion, for loops are a little bit different in Python, and I'm unfamiliar with them. So if you are too, ChatGPT is a good resource to help explaining syntax. Also, this is not necessarily needed. You can just go through the list. I'll show you later what I mean, but storing all these in a hash map could be faster in the long run. I did try to optimize it a little bit and play around with the two different versions of my solution. This does add a little bit of increased time or decrease in time, but not much. In reality, I'm just practicing with hash maps more than anything. And then we can do another for loop for candy and candies. We can just do if candy plus extra candies is greater than or equal to max of candy map dot values. We're gonna append true to our list, else we're going to append oh wow, I cannot type. Wow, I'm gonna append false. And that's it. We're just gonna return is true. Let's run this. Okay, cool. Yeah, it works. Not very fast, but what I was talking about earlier was instead of this, we can just do max of candies. So then we're just gonna look through this entire list, so we can submit this and see if it's any different. I will. Max candies. What did I do wrong here? There we go. Oh, wow, it was actually much faster. Okay, never mind, I lied. So don't make the hash map. You don't need it. But there you guys go. I hope you learned something. Thank you.